CPA marketing for beginners. Right here in today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way you can actually make money online with CPA marketing even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond. With that being said and no more delay of time, let's dive right into today's video. But if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you do like such content, make sure you do go to smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all, that I do alert you whenever I release cool and amazing videos that could actually help you go on to boosting your income online. So guys, the first thing which you actually want to do for today's strategy is to actually come right here and register for an account on this platform called CPAGrip. If you already have an account, go on to log into yours. If you don't have one, click on register and you should be brought to a page that will look similar to this. All you need to do is to actually fill out the fields having these red asterisk signs. As you can see right here, it actually indicates the required fields right here. So you want to fill out your name, your last name, your street address, country, city, state and region, phone number, Skype ID. You also want to fill out your email address, the password, confirm your password once more, choose the time zone, and actually go on to reading through the terms of services right here. And you could also agree to that by checking these boxes. Once you do that, go on to clicking on register now. And if you do click on register now, you can actually get your account created. Once you do get your account created, go on to login into your account. So as you can see right here, I'm logged into my account, and to get to this page, come right here, click on offer tools. You'll be shown this drop down list, select my offers, and you can actually get this section right here. All you need to do is to actually filter your offers to a top tier country like the United States, United Kingdom, Australia or Canada or any other top tier country out there. And once you do that right now, go on to selecting a cool sweepstake offer. And guys, an example of a cool sweepstake offer is this one right here that actually go on to promoting this offer for your lead to actually go on to getting $1,000 in cash right now. So this is a giveaway, gifting out $1,000. All your leads actually need to do is to come from the United States, to actually be using an Apple iOS device, and go on to submitting their email address or zip code using this unique affiliate link right now. And you do get paid $1.15 for every successful person that actually does that or fits into this category and complete that offer. So all you need to do right now is to copy the link to this offer. Once you copy the link to this offer, guys, you want to head onto a platform called tinyurl.com. And if you do head on to tinyurl.com, you can actually use this platform as a link shortener website to shorten your lengthy URLs. So once you paste a link to my CPA marketing offer, click on shorten URL. I'm going to copy the new URL right here and actually use that to drive traffic to that offer. So to do so, I'm going to head onto this platform right here called the Linktree, and I'm going to use this particular platform to act as a landing page right here. So I'm going to just simply create one on Linktree. What I'm going to do right now is to actually go to login into my account. But if you don't have an account, come right here, click on this section and actually do fix in the username which you want to use for your account. Click on claim your Linktree, and you can then just simply go to login into your account once you actually do go into creating one by providing the basic details which will be asked of. So guys, take a look at this right now. I'm logged back into my Linktree account, and you can see right here I'm promoting multiple CPA marketing offers on my Linktree. All you need to do is to come right here, click on add link, and you want to paste in the link to that your CPA marketing offer right here, which is the already shortened link. Paste in that, click on add, and that link will actually be added right here. You can see that right now, but it's actually having the tiny URL title as you can see in this preview section. So what you need to do right here is to come to this section and actually copy the title to this offer. Once you do copy the title, head back to this particular Linktree account and actually do go to changing that title right here. So if I do change the title and actually do edit this to my preference, I can actually then go on to clicking on enter, and that has actually been saved. So what you need to do right now is to actually get more CPA marketing offers, add to this list, and once you do that right here, once you're done, click on share, copy the link to this particular offer or this particular page, and actually go on to promoting that using a paid ad platform like the propellerads.com. So this is actually an amazing platform right here which you could take advantage of. You could use the propeller ads right now to drive a lot of targeted traffic to your CPA marketing offers or you could go on to using the roller ads right here. So both of them actually worked in a similar way right now, but I'm just going to show you how you can promote your offers with the roller ads right here. So if you actually follow the same strategy or the same steps which I do show you right here for the roller ads, you could also go into replicating that exact same step for the propeller ads and get your account created and also go on to promoting your offers. So to get your account created is quite easy. Go on to clicking on sign up, and you can actually do sign up for absolutely free. Once you do sign up and log into your account, as you can see right here, all you need to do first of all is to click on this balance section to actually go on to topping up your balance, and you could top your balance via the bank card, via the web money, the capitalist, Bitcoin, Tether, and other cryptocurrencies right now. So you can actually come right here, click on new campaign. To go on to creating a campaign, I do prefer the push notification ad format, so I'm going to leave it as it is. For this particular bid model, I'm going to select the cost per click. For the traffic preset, I'm just going to go on to selecting kind of sweepstake right here. In the general section, you want to give this a general name right now. So all you need to do right now is to actually give your offer a general name, such as grab a free gift card today. And once you do put in something like this in this target URL, pasting the link to your link tree, and you want to then just simply come onto this creative section. This way you're actually going to go into editing details to that particular CPA marketing offer. So right now you want to click on this icon right now and go into inserting an icon, which is actually an image. Once you do insert that, click on crop image. You also want to go on to inserting an image right here also. And once you actually do go on to inserting that right here, I'm just going to come to this section and actually do go and click on crop image. So once you do that right here, guys, you'll be able to see how the ad is actually going to look like for Android devices and the Windows devices and also the Mac OS devices. All you need to do is to actually edit this section based on your preference. So I'm going to come right here to the title and actually change that right here to something like this. So once that has actually been inserted right here, for the description, you want to just simply put in similar description to how CPAGrip actually do uses right now. I'm going to get back to this section, paste in that right here as a description. You can actually do come to this section and actually check out the preview, how it's going to look like. But make sure you do go to adding multiple creatives right here, because that actually boosts your income or your chances of getting better income online. So what you want to do right now is to actually go into creating adding more creatives, and your creatives add at least 4 with a different image, the different text combination, a different title and description. Once you do that, come onto this country section and you want to select the country which you're actually targeting your offers to. So supposing I'm promoting my offer to the United States, I'm going to select the United States right there, and I'm going to come right here and leave this as it is. Now you want to just simply scroll through till you could get to this bid section. For this bid section, you could see right here it actually showed you the recommended, which is 0.1195. I'm going to put in something like 0.12, and right now guys, I can come right here and actually do go on to this custom bid section. You could edit that to your preference, but what you want to just simply take note of right now is the budget section. So in this budget section, you want to put in the entire amount you intend on using for this particular purpose right now. So you want to put in the amount that you want to use daily. Supposing I want to just simply use something like $5 daily, I'm just going to go into inserting that right now. So for a total, if I want to run this ad for about let me say 25 days, I'm going to multiply 5 times 5, which is actually $25. So that is basically how this works right here. So this is actually going to enable your ad to not actually exceed this amount a day and to not exceed this amount totally right now. So next, you want to then just simply come right here and click on save changes. Once you do click on save changes, that will actually be set right there. So you could also come right here and actually fill out other sections to your preference. But once you're done, agree to the terms of services right now. If you agree to the terms of services, click on start campaign. Your campaign will actually begin to run on this particular platform and get targeted traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And in doing so, you're actually going to making some cool cash right now. So you could also use propeller ad to actually run this simple strategy and go on to making some cool money online. And I do hope this video was helpful. If you do have a question, leave it in the comment section down below. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure notification bell is always turned on all. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.